Everything that you do being stored online, and at what point does somebody who's passed away have some type of privacy?
Many of us don't think about it, but when we die, what happens to all of our social media and email accounts?
When you or I pass away, current law states that we have no privacy rights, no to very slim privacy rights. Well, the only difference now is that when that law was originally written, you didn't have the type of online profiles and accounts and communication that you have today.
And because technology is rapidly changing the world we live in, new laws need to be written to address new situations that arise. That's why California State Assemblymember Ian Calderon authored Assembly Bill 691, also called the Privacy, Expectation, Afterlife, and Choices Act, or PEACE.
And there was a recent poll that was done by Zogby that says 70% of Americans today believe that they should have privacy after they die. We agree, and that's why we are authoring and pushing through AB 691.
And it's not just about the privacy of the user of the accounts.
Let's not forget, you're not just dealing with, if I'm the deceased, my privacy, but you're also dealing with the privacy of everyone else that I've been communicating with, and whether or not they want a family member or a friend seeing their communications with the decedent.
Assembly Bill 691 simply puts the power to decide into your hands prior to your death. Simply put your wishes in writing, such as in a will, or in the settings on your online accounts. Because right now, the decision to share or not to share your information is in the hands of the online companies with which you have accounts.
Right now, when someone passes away and they have a profile with them, who's in the middle? The company's in the middle. Guess where the company doesn't want to be? In the middle. So this bill they are supportive of because it takes them out of the middle and says, hey, this was up to your loved one. They make the choice, we're just honoring their requests. And for them, that's what they want.
The companies in support of AB 691 include Facebook, which is being proactive about dealing with this very issue.
We think anyone who shares information on Facebook, once they share a memory or a message, that should only go to the audience that that person intended for it to go to. So we've created new tools, including our legacy contact, where someone can indicate in advance whether they want someone to manage their information after they die, or if they might want to have everything deleted upon their death.
Facebook executive Ann Blackwood acknowledges this is new territory and applauds Assemblymember Calderon for trying to bring clarity and uniformity to our outdated privacy laws.
This bill, AB 691, is an important endeavor by Assemblymember Calderon to make sure that people's wishes are respected.
But if there's no clear direction from the deceased, most companies will err on the side of privacy, even if that's not what you or your loved ones want. However, this legislation changes that.
Because it's a clear path. Either the person implicitly stated that they wanted or did not want their information shared to whoever is administering the estate or settling the estate, and that's easy.
This report was produced by the Speaker's Office of Member Services.